Halloween is coming soon. This means that neural network will be generating us with pumpkins, candles and mysterious spirits. Scared? Nothing to be afraid of, because today I have prepared the top 5 Halloween-themed artworks. Rabbits? For Halloween? Why not? Dark woods, scary rabbits and glowing pumpkins. Come on, I'm kidding, the rabbits aren't that scary. But the neon pumpkins I really like. What would happen if the whole town was filled with pumpkins on Halloween? That's right, there would be a lot of pumpkin juice. The pictures show a real lot of pumpkins filling the whole space. Who knows, maybe that will happen. Actually, when I made up the text for the AI, I want to see pumpkins instead of stars. But the neural network thought it would be superfluous. That's why there are so many pumpkins in the picture against a starry sky. It looks mesmerizing. A dog in a bar. Why not as a waiter? Oh, I forgot, waiters can wear pumpkins on their heads. What? A dog has pumpkin for a head? It looks good on it. The second picture is very funny. It feels like a poor dog was forced to carry this huge pumpkin on his back. And the last thing, I'll show you the nice city with the trees that have candles instead of leaves. If you ask me, this set of pictures really captures the whole Halloween vibe. This was a selection of Halloween arts. If you want more content like this, then leave the likes and subscribe to the channel. Have a great time this day.